10462 Harvest View Way. This is Ian with Build Brothers. Going to go ahead and do my digital inspection. I've inspected this lower section here and everything looks great. Excellent condition on this lower section. Main complaint is the small bit of mold and wood damage to a upstairs bedroom floor with no signs on the ceiling. So an interesting leak that will be somewhere around this wall. And so we're going to go up and inspect the whole roof and see what's going on up there. The house is roughly 20 years old. We've got a concrete S-tile roof that is still in good condition. It is about ready for some roof maintenance. This is the first broken tile we noticed here on this little architectural detail. I'm not causing any problems yet, but will over the years. So first thing we notice when we get to the top of the ladder is this architectural detail here that creates some vulnerability, and I'm going to show you what I mean by that. And so I'm not positive that the leak is coming from this area just yet, but it is coincidence that this valley and the valley metal, first of all, you can see some standing water there. I don't think that's the cause, but I do think there is some potential for water to come off of this valley metal and fall down in here, and then I can't see or find any metal down there. And so that's my number one concern for the actual water damage that's inside the home. We do notice a few cracked and broken tiles around the roof. I'll go ahead and point those out for you. Here's the first one. Obviously water's dumping in there every time it rains. So these valleys are what's called a closed valley. You can see the tiles are almost touching. Nowadays, the preferred method is to open the valleys where we have 3 or 4 inches between those tile to allow water to flow better and to allow any debris to rinse out. With the closed valley, debris gets caught in there and then it diverts water in ways it's not supposed to go. And so that would be part of kind of a roof maintenance, would be to open those valleys. We basically trim a couple inches off of each of those tiles in the valleys. Solar install looks good. Looks professional. Does not look like they left a bunch of broken tile. I think I see one cracked tile underneath the panels over there, but that's okay. They can we can reach that without actually removing any panels. This is called a dormer vent. It's an attic vent. It lets the hot air out of the attic. Those are not in use anymore. Those end up leading to problems. Just the way they're installed, a lot of times they fail. Yours appear to be installed well, and so I haven't found any active problems with those dormer vents. Each of the flashings on the roof is ready for a little bit of maintenance. It needs another layer of mastic or sealant between the metal and the actual penetration. Most of those flashings have a little gap there. All in all, this roof was installed very well. These tiles are strong, and I haven't actually broken any since I've been up here. There's another broken one there. We can see another broken one there, another one there, and then these tiles are sliding out of place. You can see that here. So anytime it rains, and actually this is bad because the sun is beating on that felt, and after a couple years of sun exposure on that felt, it's no longer waterproof. Another broken tile there, and so if we were to proceed with a kind of a roof tune-up, we would on both sides of this tricky architectural detail here above the entryway, we would reinforce these sections. So we'll pull up these sections where the valley metal ends, and we'll make sure to add some additional waterproofing underneath the tile as this tile wraps around this architectural detail, and then that additional waterproofing will wrap up the wall in there. It's basically the same thing as valley metal, except it is a synthetic product. It's a polymer product that we would reinforce that and open up the valleys, replace all the tile, get the tiles back in place. Chimneys look good, all the flashing's still intact. Didn't find any issues there. So all in all, this roof, yeah, is still in good condition. You got several years of life left in this roof. Most homeowners neglect any type of roof maintenance, and so this is just ready for some roof maintenance.